Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
Hello, so I'm Ivaras from Millo Appliances, and we are in CES show here presenting the new innovation, magnetic AirDrive. And this is the blender, Millo portable smart blender, which will be in the market soon. And it features that magnetic AirDrive. As you see, there is no any mechanical connection between engine and the blades, but it's a very powerful rotation torque and done via magnets. The same technology we implemented in the table. So you see, we have here our technology. We put smoothie jar and we can make the smoothie here. Next to it we have induction, so we can cook. So it's like a kitchen, future kitchen table. Let's say how it looks like that. Everything is smooth and shiny. This portable blender will be available this summer. Let's hope we launch the mass production now. Everything is fine. Then summer will be available through digital channels like Amazon and main shops in the US. And it's $399 US as retail price.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.